Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Photography. I'm TJ Waller. Now, adventure photography is more than just camera equipment and the photos you take when you're out there on your adventure. It's also about the other gear that you rely on in the field. Bad gear, bad time. You're not even going to want to take any pictures. So today, I'm going to review a really nice camping axe from IUNIO. So let's get to it. And it comes in a really nice MOLLE pouch that I've got attached to the tailgate of my Jeep. Comes with the head. As you can see, I haven't used this yet. That's what we'll do today. Got some nice grip tape that you can wrap around the grip of it. Got the two handles. And the butt end with a compass. Comes with a real nice ferro rod and a whistle. And then in one of the handles, it has a knife and a scaler or saw with a bottle opener and an awl. And what I really like about it is it has O-rings, and the O-rings keep it watertight, and it also helps prevent the sections from unscrewing from each other when you're using the hatchet. Here we are. Alright, my first impressions. It's a good hatchet. I like the O-rings in there. It'll keep everything that I store in the handles, it'll keep it dry. It also does a relatively good job at keeping the hatchet from unscrewing. It did have a little bit of wobble to it, but it's still nice. You will want to sharpen it first. It's a little dull. I like the way it breaks down, and I can carry it in my rucksack. I can carry it in my Jeep, and always have a hatchet of some sort with me. But you should never rely on just the one thing. I always carry several knives, a really good machete along with my axe, so you always have chopping tools no matter where you're at, and because you don't want to be without anything to cut something with or to chop something with. And this makes it easy. You've got a nice little compact, and it's light, so it's not going to add too much weight to your rucksack. So I give it a thumbs up. I'd give it 5 stars, and I highly recommend it. Okay, we're good to go. Now, not all my videos are going to be product reviews. What I want to do with this channel is share my tips and experience on how to get the best photographs that you can get from your adventure. Whether it's hiking or camping or night photography or drone flying, whatever it is. So feel free to subscribe. It's a brand new channel. I need to build up my subscriptions, and hope to see you again. I'm TJ Waller.